This is Money Bites, I'm Michael Vincent, and today's topic, bank approvals. So, what is a bank approval? A bank approval is when the bank comes to you and says, hey, you can lend this much money under these conditions. There's two different types. There is a conditional approval or an unconditional approval. What are the difference, you might ask? Well, a conditional approval is the first approval you usually get from the bank once you've submitted your loan application and they've said, hey, you're good to go. But you're not quite good to go. They're holding you back a little bit. They'll usually put conditions on there such as, proof of income, or maybe they want to see how much deposit you have, maybe exactly how much money you can withdraw from your KiwiSaver, and they won't extend the funds until you've met all of those conditions. Usually the last condition that you'll need to meet is the property acceptable as security for the bank? And what this means is that when you've found a house, the bank just wants to know that, hey, yep, it's not a lemon, it's not a dud, it's not sinking, we're good to lend money against it. Once you've met all the conditions, your conditional approval then becomes an unconditional approval. And that means you are good to go, you can make an offer on the house, you can say it's unconditional, I can get you the money tomorrow. Why do these two things matter? Well, different buying situations can require a different type of approval. If you're purchasing at auction, that is unconditional bidding. So you're taking a little bit of a risk there. If you've still got some conditions to meet, maybe you won't be able to meet them, and all of a sudden you're stuck having to find some way to settle this house. If you're purchasing by negotiation, however, you can make a conditional offer, which means that you might be still able to have some conditions on your approval before you do that. So, in under 2 minutes, that is what is a conditional approval and an unconditional approval. That is Money Bites, and I'm Michael Vincent.